The beautiful thing about them both is that you can mix them together now to create basically anything in between deeper shades or lighter pastel shades. Welcome back to this video series, The Breakdown. In this episode, I want to talk to you a little bit about the BLONDME toning options that we have. A lot of people really love our BLONDME Bond Enforcing Premium Lightener 9 Plus, aka the 9-level lightener. But did you know that we have some beautiful toning options to pair with that? It's like you've made a cake when you've lightened your client, but you can't just leave it raw. You should ice it so that it has the best effect or the best taste. So I want to talk today about the two different options that we've got in BLONDME toning. So these are our BLONDME toners. We have our pastel toning range. These will all be denoted by a T on the box. So the pastel toning ranges are going to be great for clients that are lifted to levels definitely 8 or lighter. And we've kind of given them a different feel than the rest of the Schwarzkopf Professional brand. If you notice, they have names. So we're not using our numbering system, which we're going to talk about in another video, so stay tuned for that. But we've given them more names. So for example, this one is Toning Biscuit. So when you think biscuit, you can think of like a flaky biscuit, English muffin type of a tone, where it's kind of that light, pale, sandy beige. But if you are looking to add depth into a client, maybe that's within a shadow root or a low light, or anything like that, we have our deep toning ranges. The deep toners are going to be ideal for those mid-range levels, about 5 through 7. They do come in, again, the same kind of emotional name feelings like granite or deep chestnut. The beautiful thing about them both is that you can mix them together now to create basically anything in between deeper shades or lighter pastel shades. Now, one thing that the toning has in common, I don't know if you can see this, but we've got this beautiful little octagon or hexagon or shape here that says that all of our toning in BLONDME does have bonding technology. Think about why that's a great thing. If I've lifted a client a good handful of levels, there's potential, even with built-in bonding technology, that your client has experienced maybe a little bit of damage, a little bit of breakage. It happens, nobody's perfect. So the bonding technology really ensures that you're kind of working towards rebuilding and re-nourishing and restructuring that hair for the best possible outcome. Care fact number 2, our BLONDME toning ranges are all pH neutral, so about 6.8 to 7. When you think about lightening somebody's hair super light, the alkalinity that it took for that hair to get there is a bit high. So pH neutral toners will just kind of help bring that hair back down to that pH neutral range. Now in terms of mixing, you would mix all of the BLONDME toners with our 2% 7 volume premium developer. Equal parts, doesn't get easier than that. You could put these in a bottle for quick application at the bowl, or you could mix them in a bowl with a brush for more precise application. Now in terms of longevity, it depends on how long you leave these on. You can leave a BLONDME toner, pastel or deep, anywhere from 5 to 20 minutes. 5 for quick color refreshing and 20 minutes for like full-blown I want color deposit. Now in terms of longevity, there's a lot of variables there. It depends on how much you've lightened that client's hair, how often do they shampoo at home, what is their porosity and integrity of their hair when it's all said and done. So there's a lot of variables there, but they're absolutely beautiful. They give your kind of raw blondes these beautiful refined looks, and we absolutely love working with them. So stay tuned for more videos in the Breakdown series about all things Schwarzkopf Professional that you can use in salon to make your life easier.